Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to see more home, holiday, event, wedding, and DIY decor. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a floral umbrella centerpiece for your upcoming baby shower or bridal shower. Here we go. Excited to make today's centerpiece because oh my god, it is going to be very pretty and I'm gonna save you tons of money because you can use this for two separate occasions. Oh yeah, hear me out. You can make this for your bridal shower, and then after your wedding, what comes after weddings? Babies. So when you have your baby, you can use the very same centerpiece for your baby shower. How's that? All right guys, let's get started. I'm crazy, but it's true. Okay, let's get started. All right guys, so the very first thing I'm going to do is butcher this beautiful umbrella that I got from Amazon. I'm going to be cutting part of the handle off. This U looking part right here, I'm going to be cutting it off because I'm going to be placing a 1/2 inch by 2 PVC pipe to it to extend it and make it longer. I'm going to be using a handsaw to cut it off. And there it is, very easy. Next, I'm going to be painting a 1/2 inch by 2 feet PVC pipe in a 3/4 by 1/2 inch coupling. These I got at Home Depot, and this pipe right here already comes cut, so you don't have to worry about, getting a long pipe cut. And I'm going to go ahead and paint the both of them in metallic gold. I'm going to be using a round cutting board from Dollar Tree as my base, and I'm going to be gluing my PVC pipe and coupling right on top of it with Gorilla Glue. As you can see, the Gorilla Glue has expanded. Now this is solid and it's not going anywhere. Now I'm gonna go ahead and place my umbrella right on top. I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue right on top to glue the umbrella on here. And yes, I'm going to be opening an umbrella indoors. So just place it right in there. And it should look something like this. All right, so now moving on to my floral arrangement, which is going to be at the top and bottom of the umbrella. In a perfect world, I will start at the bottom, but since I only have a limited amount of flowers, I want to start at the top just to be safe. I'm going to be breaking down my arrangements into sections. This umbrella has 8 sections, so I'm making 8 little arrangements on each section, which eventually will become one. And I'm mostly going to be using roses. Here I have a bouquet of pink roses from Hobby Lobby. This was 50% off of $12.99, so I paid about $6.50. I'm also using a light pink one, also from Hobby Lobby. They're basically the same flower, just different colors. This bouquet here, this is like a beige bouquet of roses. This one I got from Michael's. It says $10. But I'm sure that I pay half off. I don't ever pay full price. So yeah, so I have this color, and I also have this beautiful bouquet of yellow roses from Dollar Tree. And to place your flowers on the umbrella, all you have to do is pull them off. And you may have a little bit of a tip there. If it's too long, just cut it off. And then you're just gonna add some hot glue to them. I'm also going to be incorporating some of these peonies that I got from Michael's long time ago. These are actually recycled flowers from another project, and since I'm afraid that I'm going to run out of flowers, I'm just going to use them and place them randomly in between roses. So if you find yourself running out of roses or running out of flowers, you can go ahead and place any flowers that you may have laying around or that you can find on sale. So don't feel forced to only use roses. That's just my vision, okay? All right, so let's move on. So I actually have enough of the pink roses left over, so I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more. And here's what it looks like so far. But I'm still not satisfied. I think I'm going to be adding some of my filler flowers underneath it so it can look a little fuller. I need it to be fuller. You see that? So that's what I'm going to do. This is what I'm talking about. Look at that. Yes, that's the look. Yes. Nope. Yes. Look at that. Ouch. What you yelling over there for?
Good.
What's good?
Yeah.
What?
I'm listening to you say, yeah, that's the look.
Yeah, I mean, when I have that gut feeling, something's not quite right, you gotta figure that out. Do not. No.
What?
Get away from the pot. You already have two plates. And here it is, guys. So pretty. Very pretty. The bouquet of pink roses came with these buds of little small closed roses, so I'm just going to randomly place them around. So now finally moving on to the bottom of the arrangement, and I'm just going to start with my filler flowers. I'm just going to place them all around my cutting board, and I'm going to cover it up, and then I'm going to be placing my roses on top. And here's the bottom arrangement. And lastly, I'm going to use a few hanging crystals to give the illusion of raindrops. Okay guys, this is it. This is my floral umbrella baby shower or bridal shower centerpiece. And this centerpiece is absolutely stunning. It is out of the box and it will look elegant at your next event. As you can see, I painted the tip of the umbrella in metallic gold, and I accomplished that by using acrylic paint and a little brush. And I am so glad I decided to use my filler flowers underneath the umbrella. I know that I wanted it all to be all roses, but oh my gosh, look how beautiful and full it made it look. And I'm gonna have all information for the hanging crystals in the description box below because it definitely polishes the look. Love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you see this button right here? Click it right now. Also, leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of my centerpiece, and leave me a comment anyway because I love to chit chat with you guys all the time. And make sure to share. Sharing is caring. If you know of a friend or a family member that's gonna have a baby shower or a bridal shower and would love to have this centerpiece at their event, make sure to share it with them because you're gonna save them a buck or two. Until next time, bye.